Now, let's have a brief discussion about Imam Bukhari. His actual name was Muhammad and his father's name was Ismail. Imam Bukhari's father died when he was a young kid. His father used to travel the lands and he was also interested in hadiths. His father even sat in the circle of the famous Imam Malik. There is a story that Imam Bukhari was blind and with the dua of his mother, his sight was recovered. He is called Bukhari as he was born in the city of Bukhara. He was very intelligent with great memory. When he was 16 years old, his mother took him for Hajj and he was amazed by getting into touch of the scholars over there and requested his mother to return back to Bukhara, and he stayed to Medina to study Islam. He traveled a lot to learn Islam and returned back to Bukhara after 45 to 50 years. At the age of 19 years, he wrote a 9-volume book regarding the narrators of the hadiths. He traveled to Baghdad where he met Imam Ahmad ibn Hanbal, who praised him that he haven't met anyone in the entire Khorasan as bright as Muhammad ibn Ismail, that is Imam Bukhari. The scholars of hadiths almost unanimously consider Sahih al-Bukhari to be the most authentic and reputable among all the books of hadiths. This is because he only chose narrators of the most reliable characters. He verified that each person in the chain of narrators have actually met the person from whom they are narrating the hadiths. He only compiled the most authentic of all hadiths and sent the draft to the greatest ulama of that time, and any hadith that was found to be slightly objectionable, he striked out those hadiths from this book. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.